What's good, YouTube? We're back. Obviously, this is my first YouTube video. I haven't been on YouTube in a while, and that's because obviously I've been so locked in on day trading, going crazy that I didn't have time. But now that I bought my time back because of day trading, now I want to teach you guys how you guys can do the same thing. So today we're going to touch on market structure. Why does market structure matter? Because it's going to give you your bias for that day. So let's say I wake up in the morning and I look on the charts. Market structure is literally going to show me where we are for that day. Are we buying for that day? Are we selling for that day? Where's structure? Are highs being broken? Are lows being broken? Where's Are we in consolidation? I'm going to be breaking all that down, guys. And this is going to be the simplest, most real YouTube channel out there about day trading. I'm going to try to keep things simple, guys, because I don't want to make things so complicated where it freaking explodes your brain. No. Day trading is about keeping it simple, about just doing what works and adjusting if you have to. So, we're going to be touching on many different things. This is just the first YouTube video. So, this is like a tutorial on teaching just the average human that has no idea about anything that has to do with trades, stocks, whatever you want. This is just for that person that just wants to understand like what is even day trading, what is even market structure. So, today, the first video, I'm literally going to make it right now. I'm making it right now, is market structure. What is market structure and how it benefits you when you're going to trade? So, as you guys can see my screen here. This is gold right here. So pretty much I trade futures. I'm a futures trader. I don't trade forex. I never did. I hear a lot of good about forex, a lot of bad, but it just happens that I just wanted to trade futures instead of Forex in the beginning. So the three main pairs I'm trading right now is literally just gold, NAS 100, and US 30 Dow Jones. This is all I'm trading. This is what works for me. This is what makes me money. So this is what I stick with. And that's a lot of people get that wrong is they want to have all these different types of strategies, different types of pairs when it comes down to literally just keeping it simple and doing what works, not doing anything too crazy because bro, if you do anything too crazy, you're going to be losing money. You're not going to be making money. You're going to be stressing. You're going to be trading, losing money. And then you realize, damn, I got to go to work now. I got to go work my job because I just lost my money. So that's what you don't want. And trading is all about keeping it simple and doing what works. So today, I'm going to be breaking down market structure, how market structure benefits us. So I would honestly take notes on this because I feel like this is very valuable information that helped me in my journey in the beginning when I was learning about all these different things. And it's very important if you actually just like obviously if you know how to day trade already, this video is not going to benefit you. This is for somebody who is just looking into it, maybe wants to start it as a side hustle, just do something regular, right? So this is what this video is literally just about that learning the basics, getting a good foundation on what day trading is, what day trading means, and yeah, just the basics for someone who has no idea what's going on. So I'm gonna break it down simple. It's gonna be so easy, guys. Don't worry. I would have wanted this when I started, and I did get a little bit of this, but I also had to go through a little bit of a learning phase where, I didn't really have that one person that I watched, and then I finally found that person, and ever since then, simplicity is key when it comes to trading. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna do some points. I'm gonna be going over. Look, I'm gonna go over 5 points today with you guys. Um, just to break it down simple. Okay. So the first point, if you want to write this down, is what is a uptrend? Write that down if you want to learn. So an uptrend, literally. Let's go over here. Let's grow a little bit. So an uptrend. Let's close this actually. Yeah. Okay. So an uptrend, it looks like this, right? But that's saying it looks a little bit confusing for the normal eye. I know when I started day trading, this was confusing to me. So I'm gonna just draw it out and then we're gonna break it down on the candlesticks. So this is uptrend, guys. It's super simple. We're pushing up. We're pushing up. That's an uptrend. We're pushing up. It literally sounds just like the word uptrend, pushing up. So, what does it mean when the uptrend is happening? That means that all this right here, all this, people are buying in the market. These are all buyers, guys. Let me write that. This is an uptrend. Let's just say buyers are in the market because that's what this is when you're pushing up to the upside, that means that the buyers are in the market. It's so simple. So when somebody says, "Hey, uptrend," yep, buyers are in. Okay, that doesn't mean sellers are sellers. They're like this is sellers right here. This line, yeah, this is obviously sellers, but we're not breaking structure. What is structure? I'll explain that right now. This is literally structure, guys. All right, let me use this. I'm gonna use a different color. That way we can differentiate before differentiate it's too much of a big word, bro. I give up. Well, okay, this is structure. This is structure. What the bruh? Where's the line? Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. Okay, so this is a line here. That's structure. Where you see this little like curve up, this is structure. Okay. This is going to be the structure that we use to see if we're breaking structure up or down. I don't know why it's doing this, bro. What the heck's going on, G? What the heck? Let me just redo this. Hold up. Bop. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's just use a highlighter. So, let me do it again. Bro, this is trash. This is trash. Holy crap. Okay, so this is structure as you guys. Bro, why is it doing this? Okay, there we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So this is structure here. What is structure? That's structure. We're not breaking structure to the downside. So that means the trend is up because buyers are in. So as you can see here, it's not breaking these structures. It's continuing in an upward pattern because the buyers are in and the market's bullish for that day, you know? Uh yeah, because I trade the 5 minutes, so I'm not really looking at any higher time frames for like my bias. Well, I actually am, but like I'm not looking where the trend is on a higher time frame if I'm going with my EMAs. What is the EMA? I'll break that down in another video. I'm going to be making a lot of different videos on what's a candlestick, what is consolidate, or I'm actually touching on consolidation anyway, but yeah, what is a candlestick? What is even day trading? What is the different pairs you trade? We're going to go through all that. So, yeah, this is an uptrend. That just means buyers are in. Okay. Okay. So, my next point, keeping it simple, what is a downtrend? So, a downtrend is literally just the reverse opposite of what an uptrend is. The market's pushing down. It's doing this. Dang, it looks like I don't look that bad, but sorry for my drawing, guys. I'm not really a artist or nothing like that, but this is a downtrend. So write this down. What is a downtrend? Well, a downtrend is when the market's moving down. So that means what? Sellers are in the market. Sellers are in. So, as you can tell, why do we know? Why do we know that it's a downtrend? Because structure here is not being broken. We're not pushing up and breaking all this structure. We're not doing that. So when we see this, we're like, yeah, sellers are in because they're not really breaking any type of low or they're not breaking any type of high. Sorry. So we know that a downtrend means that the sellers are in and that we're going to be looking for sells. When it's an uptrend, that means the buyers are in and we're pushing up for that day. So that's first point is uptrend. Second point is downtrend. It's keeping it simple. Third point is what is consolidation. So Consolidation pretty much looks like this, guys. This is consolidation. When there is no trend, write that down. Consolidation means that there is no trend in the market. So this is literally consolidation, G. Look, boom, bam. No, there is no breaks of highs. There is no breaks of lows. There might be tiny, but we're continuing in just this endless pattern of just nothingness. And that's what this is. There is no trend, consolidation. That's consolidation. What does it mean? That shoot, what number log? What is that? Yeah, that there is no trend. That there is no trend, right? Because how is this? This doesn't like this is consolidation. This doesn't even look like an uptrend or a downtrend. So what does that mean? Well, it's not anything, it's just consolidation. We don't know where price is going. It could be taking out liquidity. If you guys don't know what liquidity is, I'll be breaking down that in another video. And I'm going to be posting pretty much videos every week, once a week. I'm going to try to make some time. We're going to do this thing. We're going to teach you guys how to day trade on such a simple, in such a simple way. It's going to be easy to understand and to grasp. So, yeah, this is an uptrend. We're pushing up. This is a downtrend. We're pushing down. This is consolidation. That means there is no trend. When there's a downtrend, there is a trend because we're selling, we're breaking structure to the downside. And there is a trend when we're buying because we're breaking structure to the upside. But when there's consolidation, we're not doing nothing. We're just moving up, down, up, down. And consolidation is also called a range. You know, you can either say, oh, yeah, we're in a ranging market or we're in a consolidating market. It's the same thing. There's not really a difference, you know. Excuse me. But yeah. So this is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. We're breaking structure up. That means we're uptrend. Breaking structure down means downtrend. Consolidation, there is no trend. We're just ranging, going up and down, staying in this kind of rectangle box of price of we're just in there bouncing off. Yeah, like literally, we're just doing this. This is all we're doing. We're literally, guys, we're literally just staying in this like random box that just creates with price. Like literally, let me do this a little better. Like literally just staying in this range, in this consolidation. So I trade supply and demand. I can't remember if I've told you or not. So I would not want to buy or sell when I see this because usually I'll lose when I'm trading in such a consolidating market. Unless I have my EMAs and my EMAs is looking good, then I'll take the risk. But we're going to be breaking down why the EMAs is important, why having that indicator, which is the EMA important. We're going to break that down, you know, but not in this video. Next one. So look forward to that. It's going to be beautiful. Yeah. So uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. So point one, let's write that. We're going to write this. Let's get it right here. Point one. Point one. This is going to be point two. This is going to be point three. So that's as simple as it gets. Literally simple. Super simple, guys. It's not that hard. I just broke it down to you right now. So let's go on the charts and see what that actually looks like on the chart, right? So as you can tell here, literally right in front of where we just drew, we're literally breaking structure to the upside. Why? Because we're not breaking any lows. We're not breaking this low. We're not breaking this low. We're not breaking any of this. Like we're just continuously pushing up and price is not coming down. So that means we're literally on an uptrend pushing up because buyers are in. Like structure is not being broken. There is no cutting down through here like this. There is none of that. Let me take all this off so you guys can see a little better. Kind of looks like a little kid just went crazy on here, but no, yeah. So as you can tell here, this is structure. Structure is not being broken. There is no price coming down this way like this. There's nothing coming down to break this structure. So we're just continuously pushing up. So what does that mean? Just like here, guys, we're pushing up. So, well, let's see what a downtrend looks like, right? Let's see where price is just continuously pushing down. Let's find somewhere where price is pushing up. And right here's perfect, literally perfect example is right here. Like, do you guys see that? Or is this one good? Let me try to find a better one. What did that look like again? Yeah, so we can literally use this as an example right here. So this is structure right here. Structure isn't being broken at all by a push up from the market. It's not. It's not doing this. We're breaking structure to the downside. We're breaking all this side. We broke this low here. This is also a low. These are all these lows were broken. We broke structure to the downside completely. Literally just blasted through everybody's stop loss. They all lost. Literally just completely broke structure to the downside. And here as well. Here, yep. But yeah, pretty much, yeah. So this is obviously you're selling because why? We're breaking major lows. There's a low here, there's a low there. We're pushing up, and then now we're breaking structure from literally right here. We broke that, pushed down, broke that little structure. So what? I will be looking for sells because we're breaking structure to the downside. And as you can tell right after that, it literally just melted and is not breaking this major high here. It hasn't even broke that major high. It's continuously dropping. So that's an example of pretty much what a downtrend looks like. We're just continuously pushing down on the market. We're looking for sells. And then, so that was point one was buyers, point two is sellers, and now point three is what does consolidation look like? And there's a perfect example right here. Or yeah, this is pretty good. Let me try to find another one though, real quick. Let's see if I can find where it was just completely like hugging our EMAs, where we're just really just consolidating with price. And this is the perfect example right here. Like, I would not trade this right here. Like, this is terrible. Why? Because look, guys, we're literally just like that rectangle I drew a couple of seconds ago. We're literally doing the same exact thing, bruh. Like, we're literally just consolidating. There is no trends. There is no breaks of highs. There is no breaks of lows. Like, it's just continuously like no trend. And then look, right when there's a break of structure, boom, blast out of here, breaks all this. This this candle broke all these highs. And look, I will be looking for buys right now because why? Because I know that we're pushing up because now there is a trend because we're in an uptrend like I just drew. What does an uptrend look like? It literally looks like this. We're not breaking any lows. What are we doing here? Literally that same exact thing. It literally just pushed up and it didn't break this low. It didn't break here. You see this? It didn't break. It didn't come back. It held there and it pushed up. It didn't come down here and touch this and break this structure to the downside. It kept pushing up. So I will be looking for buys. So that's an example. That's amazing right there. That's perfect. So what else we got? So point number four, that point number three is consolidation, right? So that's what consolidation looks like, where there is not really a trend. It's kind of just moving up and down. There is no trend. It's kind of choppy. And yeah, it's just terrible. And then fifth point is yeah, so we covered point four, break structure to the upside. What's the break structure to the downside? Yeah. So let's do an example. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I Yeah, that was pretty solid right there. So I went over what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, what is consolidation, and yeah, as you can tell, I just gave you a perfect example of what a breakthrough structure is. This is literally a break of structure. As you can tell, we're literally consolidating, like I just pointed out to you. And what did we do? We came and we went crazy right here. We broke structure to the upside crazy. So that's what a break of structure to the upside for buys. Okay. So that's a break structure to the upside. Well, you may say, what does a break structure to the downside look like on the chart? Well, we're gonna go through that right now. Let's do it. Let's try to find where it went crazy and it broke a low and it kind of kept dropping and didn't really break a low. So let's see where we're going. Oh, here's a perfect example. This is beautiful right here. So right here, we're obviously pushing down. What does a breakage structure look like to the downside? To the downside, it looks like this. So we have structure here, structure here. We have some structure here, more structure here, structure a little low. What is it doing, guys? It's literally pushing down. We're breaking structure to the downside. Breaking structure, structure to the downside. We're looking for sells here. Hold up. Yeah, we're looking for sells here because we're breaking structure to the downside. So that's what a breakage structure to the downside is. You see this low? We broke it. This is a low here. What do? We completely smashed that low here. We broke it. Bam! Literally just broke it. So I'll be looking for sells. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Um, and you know what? The market's gonna move in waves too. It's the market. Some days it's gonna look like this. We're gonna be on an uptrend. We're gonna be chilling, cruising it, and then bam, it's just gonna go like that and just do crazy. And we're gonna go like this, you know. We're gonna consolidate. We're literally gonna break structure to the upside, and then we're gonna break structure to the downside, and then we're gonna sit in consolidation. Like these markets do not care about my damn stop loss. They don't care about yours. They don't care about how much money I lose, and they're not gonna care about how much money you lose. So the main goal is to learn these simple things in trading, like market structure, where's price, what is consolidation, what is break of structure, what does buyers mean, what does sellers mean, and yeah, like what is news. We're going to be going over how does news impact the market. We're going to be going over all that, but I just really wanted to keep this video simple for you guys, just basically touching on the basics of market structure. I will be filming another video soon next week. It's gonna be great. I just really want to keep this informational. It's just super simple. Like if you were like if you were just some random dudes like, hey, you want to learn about market structure? Sure. I don't know what market structure even is. Like that's how simple I want it for simple it to be. Well, I just messed up those words, but I just want to keep it super simple for you guys. Keep it just relatable. Like, yeah, I know what market structure is. He just told me right now. Like, it's super simple. So, if you didn't notice, I got this little sign. You can barely see it low key, but that's my IG. It's John X Moon on Instagram. If you guys have any questions that you want me to answer, any questions you guys have about day trading or about anything in general, just DM me there. Give me a follow. I'm gonna be uploading every week on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I used to make fitness content before this, but obviously that didn't work out because I wanted to do day trading. So I learned it, and now we're good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing another one soon. Like and subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. I'll be back on here soon. And we're gonna be doing day in the lives. We're gonna be doing some crazy videos, meeting some crazy people, working on some crazy projects. So stay tuned, guys. Good seeing you all. Y'all be safe out there. And don't feel free to you know what I'm saying? Hit me up. Let me know. Let me know if you guys need help with anything when it comes to day trading. So you guys have a good one and let's go crazy, man.